Hello, my dear friends. On December 1st, 2024, we'll experience a powerful new moon in Sagittarius at 9 degrees. This new moon sets the tone for the next 2 weeks, leading up to the full moon in Gemini on December 15th. Sagittarius, ruled by Jupiter, is a sign that's all about optimism, freedom, and expansion. It's the energy of exploring new horizons, whether through travel, learning, or big-picture thinking. But this time, we're navigating some unique challenges. Jupiter, the ruler of Sagittarius, is retrograde in Gemini, and Mercury, also retrograde, is in Sagittarius. Both planets are in a tense opposition, creating a kind of push-and-pull dynamic between clarity and confusion. Saturn adds a layer of seriousness with a tough square, and Mars, though bold, is preparing to retrograde, which might make our actions feel slower or more uncertain than usual. So, while this new moon invites us to dream big, it's also asking us to pause, reflect, and plan carefully. Let's dive into how this energy will impact each zodiac sign and what you can do to make the most of it. Before we begin, please take a moment to like this video. Your support means the world to us. And don't forget to share your new moon intentions in the comments. Let's manifest together. Aries, this new moon lights up your 9th house, which is all about travel, learning, and exploring new beliefs. It's an exciting time to broaden your horizons. You might feel inspired to plan a trip, dive into a new subject, or reflect deeply on what you truly believe in. That said, Mercury and Jupiter are both retrograde, so don't be surprised if plans feel delayed or require some adjustments. If you're dealing with legal matters, working on educational goals, or making travel arrangements, it's essential to double-check everything. Miscommunications and mix-ups could happen, but don't let them throw you off track. Just stay flexible and prepared. When it comes to your well-being, your mind might feel a bit scattered during this time. Grounding exercises like meditation, deep breathing, or even journaling can help you stay focused and calm. Professionally, you might find yourself inspired by big ideas or long-term career goals. This is a great moment to dream and strategize, but hold off on making impulsive commitments. Take your time to ensure your plans are solid. Financially, if you're investing in things like education or travel, make sure you read the fine print and understand all the details. This isn't the best time for risks, but careful planning can help you avoid any hiccups. And in your love life, clear and honest communication will be absolutely essential. If you're in a long-distance relationship or navigating different perspectives with your partner, take the time to really listen and express yourself clearly. Patience will go a long way in avoiding unnecessary misunderstandings. So, Aries, this new moon is encouraging you to aim high and think big, but with a little extra patience and preparation, you'll set yourself up for success. Taurus, this new moon is all about transformation and letting go. It highlights your 8th house, which governs shared resources, emotional bonds, and deeper connections. This is a perfect time to reflect on what you've been holding on to, whether it's old financial commitments or emotional baggage, and decide what's worth keeping and what needs to be released. You might notice old financial issues or past emotions bubbling to the surface. Don't shy away from them. Addressing these now can help you move forward with clarity. If you share finances with a partner, it's a good time to sit down and discuss your goals together. Just remember, patience is key. Retrograde energy could slow things down. Take care of your emotional health during this time. Rest, recharge, and don't hesitate to ask for support if you need it. In your professional life, team projects or collaborations might require extra attention. Double-check details and don't rush decisions. Financially, it's best to hold off on major investments or new debts until things settle. In your relationships, intimacy can grow deeper if you're open to honest, vulnerable conversations. This new moon is asking you to trust, release, and transform. Gemini, this new moon is all about your relationships and partnerships. Whether it's your romantic partner, a close friend, or a work collaboration, it's time to take a step back and evaluate the balance. Are you giving and receiving equally? With Mercury retrograde, communication might feel tricky, misunderstandings are possible, so take a deep breath and really listen before reacting. If old issues resurface, use this time to address them with care and thoughtfulness. This is your chance to rebuild trust and strengthen those important bonds. Don't let relationship stress drain your energy. Prioritize your well-being and make self-care a daily habit. In your professional life, partnerships might bring exciting new opportunities, but be extra cautious. Make sure everything is clear and in writing. Shared finances could need extra attention too. Double-check the details if you're splitting costs or managing joint resources. Overall, this is a beautiful time to reconnect and grow in your relationships, but don't rush big decisions about the future. Let things unfold naturally. Cancer, let's talk about what this new moon means for you. This lunation lights up your 6th house, which focuses on your health, daily routines, and work life. It's the perfect moment to reflect on your habits. What's serving you? What's not? You might feel inspired to adopt a healthier lifestyle, organize your schedule, or find ways to bring more balance into your day. Now, things at work might feel a bit chaotic, especially with the retrograde energy stirring up miscommunications. Don't let it overwhelm you. Focus on staying organized and being clear in how you communicate. If you've been taking on too much, this is your reminder to set boundaries or ask for help. You don't have to do everything alone. When it comes to money, keep an eye on your budget. Unexpected expenses might pop up, so planning ahead will give you peace of mind. For love, single Cancers might meet someone in a very everyday setting, perhaps through work or during a daily routine. If you're in a relationship, make sure to carve out some quality time together. It's all about balance. Leo, this new moon is lighting up your 5th house, and it's all about bringing joy, creativity, and love back into your life. If things have felt a little stagnant lately, now's the time to reconnect with what makes you truly happy. Dive into that hobby you've been neglecting, spend quality time with loved ones, or embrace the spark of new romantic possibilities. That said, with Mars retrograding in your sign, it's important to take things slow. You're brimming with energy, but impulsive decisions, especially in love or creative ventures, might not lead where you want them to. Let inspiration guide you, but don't rush the process. On your health, you're feeling vibrant and energetic, but make sure to pace yourself. Rest is just as important as action. At work, creative projects have incredible potential, but take your time to polish your ideas before sharing them with the world. For your finances, avoid risky financial moves. Even if they seem tempting, it's better to stick with what feels steady. In love, exciting romantic connections are on the horizon, but enjoy the journey without rushing into anything serious too quickly. Virgo, this new moon is shining a spotlight on your home, family, and emotional foundations. You might feel the need to focus on your personal life, whether it's improving your living space, resolving family matters, or just creating a sense of inner peace. Saturn's energy may bring extra responsibilities related to your home or loved ones, so patience is essential. If you've been thinking about moving, renovating, or making changes to your living situation, take the time to plan carefully. Retrogrades might delay things, so don't rush. Everything will fall into place at the right time. Your emotional well-being is key right now. Spending quiet time at home, journaling, or simply reflecting can help you feel more grounded. At work, try to maintain a healthy balance between your professional and personal life. Don't let job stress take over. Be mindful of unexpected expenses related to your home. Whether it's repairs, renovations, or something small, keeping an eye on your budget will save you from surprises. If family or home-related topics come up in your relationship, approach them with care. This is a great time to have meaningful conversations, but patience and understanding will go a long way. Libra, this new moon lights up your 3rd house, all about communication, learning, and short trips. You'll feel your mind racing with ideas, and it's a great time to explore writing, teaching, or having meaningful conversations. If you've been out of touch with siblings, neighbors, or close friends, this is the perfect opportunity to reconnect. Just be mindful, Mercury and Jupiter are retrograde, so double-check emails, plans, and even what you say to avoid any unnecessary misunderstandings. Take it slow, especially with decisions involving travel or learning. Networking could bring exciting opportunities, but don't rush into anything, give yourself time to evaluate. Remember, recharge when you feel overwhelmed. Your mental energy is precious. Watch your spending, especially on gadgets or impulsive purchases, and approach relationships with openness and a listening ear. This is a chance to rekindle bonds and create harmony, so take it. Scorpio, this new moon lights up your second house, putting the spotlight on your finances, values, and sense of security. This is a great time to sit down and reassess your spending habits and think about the bigger picture when it comes to your financial future. Take it slow with any major financial decisions, especially with Jupiter and Mercury retrograde. Use this time to review, not rush. Beyond money, this new moon invites you to reflect on what truly matters to you emotionally. Are you investing your time and energy in the things and people that align with your values? When it comes to work, opportunities to increase your income might appear, but make sure to read the fine print before committing. Stress about money can creep in, so take a deep breath and trust that steady, thoughtful planning will pay off. In your relationships, it's important to feel appreciated. Speak up about what you need, but remember to listen as well. Open, honest communication can create deeper connections. Sagittarius, this new moon is all about you. It's happening in your sign, highlighting your sense of self, your goals, and how you show up in the world. Think of it as your personal new year, a cosmic reset button urging you to refocus on what truly matters. You'll feel inspired to start fresh, whether it's a new project, redefining your goals, or even making a bold change to your appearance. But here's the key: don't rush. Mercury is retrograde in your sign, and Saturn is adding some extra pressure. These energies are asking you to slow down and ensure that whatever you pursue is aligned with your long-term vision. Take this time to focus on your well-being, both physically and emotionally. Maybe it's time to try a new fitness routine or make space for things that truly nourish you. Professionally, opportunities for leadership may come your way, but remember not to take on more than you can handle. And when it comes to money, it's best to delay major decisions for now, reflect and plan instead. In love, this new moon offers a chance for a fresh start. Whether it's rekindling something meaningful or stepping into something new, patience and honest communication will be your strongest allies. Capricorn, this new moon is calling you to slow down and look inward. It's happening in your 12th house, which is all about rest, reflection, and releasing what no longer serves you. You might feel more introspective than usual, drawn to quiet time, spiritual practices, or simply taking a break from the busyness of life. This is also a powerful moment for hidden truths or forgotten insights to surface, giving you a chance to process the past and prepare for what's ahead. Don't push yourself too hard. Listen to your inner voice and honor the need for rest and reflection. Take care of your health. Your body and mind will thank you for prioritizing relaxation. At work, focus on planning. It's better to strategize and organize behind the scenes rather than forcing things to happen right now. Financially, play it safe. This isn't the time for big risks or impulsive decisions. In love, reflect on past relationships. Understanding old patterns can bring clarity and emotional growth, setting the stage for healthier connections. Aquarius, this new moon is all about your friendships, goals, and the communities you're part of. You might feel drawn to connect with like-minded people, work on a collaborative project, or even join a new group that aligns with your interests. Old friends or social networks could also reappear, giving you a chance to reconnect or reflect on their place in your life. Take your time with any new connections or opportunities, though retrograde energy encourages a slow and steady approach. Health, engaging in group fitness or a community activity can boost your mood and energy. Work, collaborative projects could open exciting doors, but make sure everyone's on the same page before diving in. Money, a financial tip or idea from a friend could be helpful, but do your homework before acting on it. Love, A past relationship or friendship might resurface. Reflect on what it means to you now before making any big decisions. Pisces, this new moon is shining a spotlight on your career, your reputation, and the big goals you've been working toward. You might feel ready to step up and take on new responsibilities or pursue a leadership role. This is your moment to reflect on what success truly means to you and how you want to be seen by the world. That said, with Saturn still in your sign and retrogrades in play, it's important to take things one step at a time. Slow progress is still progress, so don't rush or feel discouraged if things take longer than expected. Steady, thoughtful action will set the foundation for long-term success. Take care of yourself during this busy time. Make sure you're not burning out while chasing those big dreams. Remember, balance is key, especially when it comes to your work and relationships. Keep the lines of communication open with loved ones, and don't be afraid to lean on them for support. Thank you so much for being here, my friends. This new moon in Sagittarius is a powerful moment to reflect, reset, and set meaningful intentions. Remember, astrology doesn't dictate your life. It gives you tools to navigate it with awareness. Please like this video if you found these insights helpful, and don't forget to share your new moon intentions in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you're manifesting. Until next time, may the stars guide you with clarity and inspiration.